Hey guys, so we're going to go over today two super useful things. First of all, we're going to go over how to set up your input signal, uh, do scaling, cropping, as well as multiple layers. And then we're also going to go over how to send and save receiver card parameters to the receiver card. Those are the .rcvbp files, which you may have seen. If you haven't, it's no problem. I will show you. So first, we're going to open up iSet. We're going to create a new project. And then we're going to detect. So as in the previous video you saw, we had the one on the port 7. And we're using, up here you can see it says we're using an X16E processor. We can also see the firmware version. So first, you could see I have two input signals here. One of them's coming from this computer, and then the other's coming from another computer. So I'm going to delete all of it. And first, you can drag the different signals on here, resize them by dragging and clicking on the corners, and we'll get both of them out. So you can think of it as like these are two input signals. So you could have one input signal here that is showing like, let's say a camera, and maybe another here that's showing like a TV station if you want. And you can just scale them, either be you could have them be half the screen or do the full screen. If you right click and click fill the canvas, and we'll delete the other one. So once you've set up your input signal, you're also going to need to do uh, the receiver card mapping. So if you go to the next tab here, the layout tab, you can see that we have all these ports in this drawer down here that shows the list of ports. If we go and we remember on here on the device information, we remember we have the one card on P7. So we're going to go back, we're going to click P7, and then down here you could either do a custom or you can type it in, but that's not what we're going to do today. What we're going to do is we're going to import one of the receiver card parameters. Those are the files I was talking about earlier. So if you go to Menu, Settings, Type Library, click Import, Import as Cabinet Type, you can then pick a receiver card parameter file. So I have these two here. I'm going to import just this one. You just select the file. You can see it's the RCVBP file. Click Open. And then you can go back. And now when we click here, you'll see that as an option. So we'll click it. And then in here, we'll decide this. We're just going to put it here for now. And then on the right, you can see we can save the parameters by clicking the Save button. And now we'll save it for this specific cabinet, this specific receiver card. So it does take some time to save it because it's saving it on the physical flash chip that's on the card. Okay, so it's complete now. So now that we've saved it, that's all you have to do to save it. Now, if you want to save to like the entire, to all of the cards, let's say you have a large wall, a large LED screen that's using all the same cabinets, you can just select this, under the layout tab. You have to be under the layout tab because on the others, there's some other options. So under the layout tab, click the three dots, save parameters, and I'll save it for the entire processor to everything. And that's basically all we're going to go over today. Is we went over how to save the parameters to an individual card and save it to all cards, as well as how to scale and set multiple layers in the canvas under the programming tab. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.